Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to review a system called Course Funnels. So the introduction. Course Funnels is an all-in-one courses and trainings platform to get more sales and save money. You can create your courses and trainings, make amazing landing pages and sell day after day with inbuilt autoresponder. You can host it anywhere and it supports 17 languages. Why the why the founders have created this is because due to the rapid shift in people's habits due to the pandemic, online learning has emerged as one of the fastest growing markets. So there is an audience waiting no matter what you can build a course on. So this is one of the main reasons why which has motivated the founders to create this program. Now I will go to some of the features. It's a breakthrough technology that puts your profit on first priority. Number one is you can host your course anywhere like WordPress. You can create amazing courses and trainings very easily. You can create landing pages and funnels to sell your courses. It includes a full-fledged autoresponder like all the popular ones like the OnDrop, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite and whatnot. It includes 6 powerful plugins like Proof, Exit and Pop. You can integrate with any autoresponder and payment gateway systems, whether it be PayPal or Stripe, InstaMojo, PayUmoney, Authorize.net, CC Avenue, Razorpay and whatever. Some of them are listed here. Now I will come to the detailed features. Course Funnel helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. So it is a combined platform. You can make courses and you can do the sales and marketing at the same time. So this is the helpful feature. You can create amazing courses and trainings with Udemy grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins that save hundreds of dollars a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Supports video courses using video on any platform, included uploaded video, YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia or others. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review and questions inbuilt. Powerful page builder that churns out highly optimized responsive pages. Complete membership system to create free or paid courses. Insightful sales and leads analytics to help you always keep track of your students and sales growth. Install anywhere including shared hosting, VPS hosting, servers, cloud, etc. Again, I am continuing with the detailed features. It has A/B testing and split testing to help you get more sales. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. Includes free training on how to create and market courses using Course Funnels. Interface in 17 languages. Use it in any language you want. Drag and drop landing page builder lets you build amazing landing pages with zero coding knowledge. Built-in autoresponder to do all your transactional and email marketing for your courses. Zapier integration lets you take your data anywhere you want on auto mode. Create rich courses with videos, quizzes, assignments, PDF documents, slides, doc files and other media assets. Automatic generation of course completion certificates when students complete the courses. Again, continuing with the features. Multiple course themes and templates and ready-made course sales templates that you can modify. Email automation sends course notifications on auto and also let you do email marketing. Create multiple courses and memberships on one domain or subdomain. SEO friendly features, on-page optimization, caching for fast delivery, and AMP for high-speed mobile performance. Integration with Facebook Pixel, Google Pixel, Google Analytics, heat maps or any other analytics system. Full GDPR support, cookie consent and data disclosure, mainly for the EU region. Easy to use interface that you master fast. Free automatic upgrade for 1 year. Now, this has been created by Cyril Jeet Gupta, and I'm just showing him his message to you. As an entrepreneur, he is telling online education is an opportunity that's waiting for you to cash in. So what his message is telling is that, hello entrepreneur, I am Cyril Jeet Gupta, your fellow journeyman and best friend in entrepreneurship. Apart from widely popular software products, I have built dozens of high quality courses and I have over 17,000 students on Udemy alone. This is the best time to get into the online learning space. More people are working and learning online than ever before in the history of the internet. The pandemic ravaged physical businesses and at the same time gave a big boost to the culture of working and learning online. Schools, universities, institutions, they are all conducting classes online, and now that people have more time, they are enrolling by themselves into all sorts of online learning courses. So are you ready to be part of this rapidly growing multi-billion-dollar industry? Are you ready to claim your share of profits and glory? If the answer is yes, read on and I will show you something that will put you on the fast track. So this is what he is telling. Now let's look at what the important opportunity that he was mentioning about. Online learning is going to be a $325 billion market in just 4 years from now. Are you going to stand aside for the winners who profit from it or join them? $147 billion. That's the size of the online learning market today. These are some of the facts. 15% year on year. That's how fast the entire online learning market is growing. 6 million people. That's the number of people just in the USA who are learning exclusively through online medium. 49% of all students worldwide have taken an online course in the last 12 months. That's nearly half of all. $15.86 billion. That's the size of the self-learning online education market. $325 billion. That's the size of the online learning market by 2025, just 4 years from now. Now again, continuing with the opportunity, a lot of people will have doubt what to teach. You can teach pretty much anything from parenting, computers and technology, home improvement, food and cooking, meditation, beauty and makeup, musical instruments, writing, pet training, language learning, personal development, social media influencing, life coaching, finances, health, entrepreneurship, arts and craft, sciences, math, yoga, dance, digital marketing. These are just the top 21 niches in online learning right now, and they are the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of niches and subcategories that you can create or find TLR courses to sell to billions of hungry buyers. You can even build amazing courses based on free YouTube videos or collaborating with YouTubers to turn their videos into a course. The customer base is hungry. People want more courses to consume in every niche possible. Now we'll look at these people: Elliot, Rob, Brett, James, Gillian, Lewis. All these are normal folks like you have. All these are normal folks like you. They have set up successful courses teaching the skills they have. There are thousands of other successful online course creators who created financial success using the skills they know. Course Funnels lowers the entry bar for you with a robust platform that gives you access to all the tools you need at a much lower cost. Now, if you want to see the Course Funnel demo, what you can do is that go to the link below and watch the course funnels demo. And if you want to get it, you can get it. It's a limited time offer and you can get some benefits. So go to the site and have a look at the sales page of the course funnels. Alright. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show some love in the form of likes and comments. Thank you very much.